We're back to the snow again after a few days since I've done the last video. We're back on it again. Look, going down really fast this time, and the snow's still there from the few days before. Can get really deep now. Look, I'll show you all around. Still just as bad. It's coming in this way, so I better watch the lens. Good heavens, that's nasty. Yep. Don't even attempt going down there. Be right on your backside in no time. Ooh. Get some on the lens, no doubt. Go round the backside this time. Ooh. Say that's about at least a foot deep, is that snow? I put my feet in the other day. Put my feet in the other day. Good heavens. No end to it, is there? Oh dear. Right. Look what we have up there. Look what we've got up there. Look at them. They're growing. They really are. Right. Not to worry. Right, have another look at that.